Nityanandam, my name is Manitya Premananda. I am one of the disciples of Swamiji Paramahamsa Nityananda. I am also a Bhautika Brahmachari. I would like to share how Nityananda Sannyas order is the best sannyas order on planet Earth. All the Nityananda sannyasis are not only sworn, take a vow of the four tattvas, they follow the four principles, um, they follow the four vows of brahmacharya also, but they are also constantly established in a space of completion because of the initiations by Swamiji. Any problem that comes in the life of a Nityananda sannyasi, you will see they do not react outside, but they will always look inside and find out how and what is that incompletion that caused the scene outside. They will always work on the solution inside to move and complete with it so that the outside is resolved. Not only that, in the uh, they always maintain that space of integrity. For example, they're taught how to be, how to maintain integrity from the core. One of the examples Swamiji had given, which all the sannyasis follow, is this I remembered because during my causing session, I do come across people who want to come for inner awakening. For them, when they put the intention, they do manifest money. They are able to manifest money, but for some reason, they use the money for something else, to either for a business or to pay off a loan. And this is not right because they had asked blessings for money for inner awakening, but they feel it is okay to use part of it for a deposit and part of it to do something else. That's when I give them the examples about how Swamiji trains us. For example, if you are taking an approval of, let's say, $10 or 10 rupees to go and buy wet ginger, then when you go to the store, you buy the ginger, but it turns out that you are able to buy the ginger, the quantity that you want, for just 8 rupees or $8. Then there's $2 or 2 rupees remaining. So you cannot think, okay, after all it is ginger, let me buy $2 or 2 rupees worth of dry ginger. It is not in integrity. You came for wet ginger, so you buy the wet ginger, and then for the dry ginger, you have to ask again. So that is the core of integrity. That is being integrated to the core. We just cannot change when we take something, we cannot change. That's how strictly the accounts also is followed with so much integrity that you will never find this level of integrity in any other place on planet Earth, in all um, dimensions, whether it is accounting, whether it is giving you a word, whether it is telling you about our experiences, whether it is telling you about what can happen to you in the inner awakening. So, in all levels, Nityananda sannyasis follow the highest level of integrity, authenticity, responsibility, causing and enriching others in addition to the four vows of sannyas that they take. So, this is how I feel Nityananda Sannyas is a community of a new breed of people, a very special breed of superconscious beings, which is such a joy to live around. So I wish all of you find out what is it, what is Nityananda Sannyas order? How can you become part of Nityananda Sannyas order? How can you get children enrolled into Nityananda Sannyas order until the age of 21? They can realize what is their purpose of life, start living their life from their own consciousness, and then decide how to live the rest of their life. So, this is the best foundation that can be given for any being on planet Earth. So, don't hesitate, don't delay, don't postpone. Come find out more about Nityananda Sannyas and become part of it. Thank you. See you soon. Nityanandam.